In this video, we're going to take a look at how to properly protect and recover your on-premises Microsoft Exchange servers. The first step is ensuring that our backup jobs are set up properly in order to get clean and consistent backups of those applications. Now, if I go into our lab and drill into a job that's already been created, this is not much different than if you were to create one from scratch. So if I use one as an example, once we've selected the virtual machines that we want to get backed up, as well as the landing zone or target for those backup files, under the Guest Processing tab is where you'll see the application-aware processing. We want to go and check this box, ensuring that all reads and writes are complete before we capture that data for backup, and then at that point, it'll run the schedule and create those backup files. Now, in the event we need to take advantage or use those backup files as a restore, we can do so by going into our backup section here on the left-hand side. Now we have multiple sources of those backups. Now we can do it from storage snapshots, from backup files themselves, or even using the replicas created by our replication jobs. Now using the backup files as the example, we'll go into that particular virtual machine and we right click, it gives us multiple restore options. A couple worth mentioning here would be instant VM recovery, the quickest way of reinstating services in as little as 2 minutes, regardless of the size of that virtual machine. You can also reinstore individual virtual disks or VM files, or recover them into the public cloud as functioning virtual machines. Now, if we need to get individual files like application items or guest files, it makes it quick by choosing one of these options we see here. Now, with Exchange, I can choose that application item, which will then showcase the various restore points that we have of this virtual machine. We choose the one that's most appropriate, hit next, give it a reason if need be, and then we just hit finish. Now, closing this down or hitting finish doesn't restore anything. It just simply mounts the Veeam Explorer or launches the Veeam Explorer for Microsoft Exchange, and then we can drill into that database and recover all sorts of different items. Now, if we're looking to recover individual users, we just right-click that user, and it gives us that restore to the original location. We can restore it to a new location, or even export it as a PST file to the desktop or a location of your choice. Now you notice we can drill into this. It's not just inbox items or mail items that we can recover. It's anything that you see here. So I can also restore entire calendars or go into the inbox and restore the entire inbox, similar to what we saw with the individual user. Now these one-click restores make it real simple. And if you want to confirm that what you're about to restore is appropriate, I love the fact that we can go ahead and see what that email is before we decide to recover it. Now, if that's the one, or maybe we need to recover multiple of them with a simple shift click, we can right click and see multiple restore options. Again, to the same location, restore it to a new inbox, or some export options to the desktop or a new location, and even save it as a mail item to the desktop or send as an attachment inside your own email. So again, a lot of different ways in which we can get that data back. Now, if we're looking to maybe figure out or find an item, maybe we're not having the easiest time locating what we're looking for, there is the advanced find that'll actually open up a very large list of criteria that we can use to search against. Now, if we choose multiple of these, we can just add them and use that search to streamline and get to the data much quicker. If we're also looking to compare with production, there's a compare with production feature that'll showcase any changes that it may be different than what's in the backup file. So this Explorer makes it simple to restore, explore, and get data back quickly without the need of restoring the entire virtual machine, which makes this process of protecting and recovering Microsoft Exchange servers simple and reliable. Thanks for watching, and check out veeam.com for other tutorial videos. Have a great day.